We want people to be a learn-it-all, not a know-it-all.
Hi, my name is Balazar Onetto. I'm with the WyoTech Career Service Department, and we're here at the WyoTech Career Fair with over 116 employers and over 1,000 interviews being conducted. Getting a little tired of working, and I see a lot of students getting job offers, so I think I'm going to go get myself a job.
Hey Nick, Balthazar works with us at Career Services. He's trying to bail on his job and become a diesel tech. Can you give him bad advice for us?
Sure.
Nick, I need some help. Tired of working career services, man. I want to get in the diesel industry.
Yeah, well, let's take a look at some things. Appreciate you, first of all, showing up about 25 minutes late to the interview.
Yeah, you're welcome for being here.
Whew, so you came right from the gym, didn't shower. That's awesome. So you're tired of running around, sweating all day working career fairs, huh? Want to get into the world of wrenching.
I want to make the bucks you guys make.
Sure, you'll kill it. Let's look at your information here. Wow, doing really well in career services. You've missed 2 days every week for the past 6 months you've been here. Really impressive. Geez, you've been written up 17 times in 6 months?
Only 17.
Yeah, that's pretty, not 20, so you're on the right path right there, man. What kind of great advice can I give you? I think, first of all, you really just need to stop this in-person stuff and just go on YouTube. YouTube is good. You've got influencers and experts all over the world. They're going to teach you everything you need to know about how to be a diesel tech. Right. You will learn everything. You don't have to go to school.
YouTube.
You don't have to pay for it. It's all free. Eat it all up. And then when you know everything, then you can tell everybody how to do their job because you know everything because you learned it on YouTube, right? And don't take any crap from these employers, right? What do they know? They're just employers. No, these recruiters don't know how to interview. Trust me. Another piece of advice, this document. You don't need to ask questions. No employer cares about what your questions are.
No questions?
No questions. You know what? Don't even follow up. We got too many emails that hit our inbox every day. We don't want to hear from you.
I'll keep that in mind.
And another good piece of advice, as much as I love the BO that you're giving off, I would probably shower just for a couple minutes. You don't have to do like a long shower, just enough to get an offer. We can shake.
Yeah.
Weak, real weak. Limp.
Weak.
Limp.
I'm gonna have to go try this out with some of these employers around here. See if that'll work out.
It's nice to meet you. I think you should really go interview with my buddy J-Rock at NUS. I think you'd have a great opportunity to get on board with them.
How's it going?
Great, nice to finally meet you.
Oh yeah, it's good to meet you. So I think Nick from JX told me about you guys.
Oh yeah, Nick.
Tell me you're gonna give me a job.
We'll get to that. So what do you want to do?
I want to be a diesel tech.
Oh, okay. Well, what's your experience?
Watch a whole lot of YouTube.
YouTube. Great. So who do you watch on YouTube?
You know, I really like watching those monster truck videos that the monster truck videos.
Monster truck videos? Oh,
and
okay.
I would say I like watching the motorcycle videos too a lot.
You mean like when they do flips and stuff, or actually when they're actually working on the truck?
Yeah, just the whole thing, you know.
The whole thing. All right. So when it comes to fixing a truck, what are you good at?
A lot of things.
Oh.
I'm everything. I could do everything on a truck.
All right. Let's flip the coin over. Where do you suck at fixing a truck?
I don't. I'm the best.
You're the best. As a new grad?
Exactly.
Okay. That's ballsy. How much money do you want to make?
Say $45, $50 an hour.
$45, $50 an hour. That's more master tech level. You're a new grad.
Yeah, I should be there. I graduated. I'm a graduate. Hi, my name is Balazar Onetto. I'm with the Career Service Department here at WyoTech. I'm here with Nick from JX Peterbilt. I'm here to ask him a few questions.
Let's do this.
So first question, what are the 3 things a student can do to bomb an interview?
Oh, there's a lot. First one is show up late. Second one is smell really bad.
Nobody likes a smeller.
Third one is to talk horribly about your previous employers. I could go on and on, but those are the 3 big ones.
Why is the talking down on previous employers an issue for you?
It just shows, their character, right? And so if they come to work for us, are they going to be complaining all the time? It's really about their attitude and their outlook on life and their current employer. So we want them to come in with a good attitude. And obviously we're not going to be perfect. They're not going to be perfect, but when you talk negatively about everybody that you used to work for, it just doesn't shine a positive light on you. You want to put your best foot forward, and that's definitely not your best foot.
Some of the easy ones, lack of preparation, not having a resume ready to go, not being prepared with great interview questions. And what I mean by interview questions, don't just ask me what my pay and benefits are. Ask about holistically what the organization is like, what it's like to work there, and then lack of follow-up. I'm going to follow up with you. I expect you to follow up with me just the same. It's a two-way street.
Yeah, keeping that constant contact with the employer is very important.
Yeah, very much.
All right, so what are the 3 best qualities in a candidate that you look for during an interview?
One is going to be, background education or learning, something that has a foundation for them to be successful in the job. 2, I'm looking for experience. Yes, we'll take people, right out of school, but I look for somebody who has understanding about how to use our tools and technologies to drive better quality. The 3rd would be continuing education, somebody who wants to strive for more. They want to achieve master certification. They want to deliver more for their team and then give back to the industry. So those are 3 big things that I look for in a candidate.
At JX Truck Center, we're looking for a couple things. And I think the more things that people can bring to the table that we can't teach, the better off they're going to be. My best advice for candidates and applicants is 1, attendance. Like, you got to show up to work, right? You got to show up early. 80% of success in life is just showing up, right? If you don't show up, we can't do anything with you. Attitude, because there's gonna be bad days. So how is your attitude when you have a bad day? Are you a bear to be around, or are you kind of manageable? And also being able to learn and take on constructive criticism and advice from people that have been here longer than you and know a little bit more than you. Come in, be a sponge, learn as much as you can. We want people to be a learn-it-all, not a know-it-all. You have a drive to be a better technician, to grow, to learn more, to improve your skills. I always tell people, if you can bring a solid foundation, we'll help you build on top of that foundation. But obviously, if you have a cracked foundation, or if it's not level, it's not solid, then it's gonna be hard for us to help you grow. Coming to WyoTech, this is one of the best technical schools in the country, in my opinion. So they're gonna get a really great foundation, education here, and then we're gonna teach them a lot more when they come in, right? So they're gonna need to have that sponge mentality, because the product changes every year. The OEMs love to enhance the product, which is great, but then we have to send them to class. So there's always going to be learning, training, advancement opportunities, things like that. So we want people to be teachable and trainable.
Lifelong learning is definitely a key to success for your future. So
yeah, absolutely.